Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 75Hz monitors currently available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a feature-packed premium monitor, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive into the countdown. At rank number 5, we have the KOORUI 22-inch computer monitor, a sleek and budget-friendly option for gamers and casual users alike. With its full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, VA panel, and a high contrast ratio of 3000 to 1, this monitor delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors that are ideal for immersive viewing. Its 100Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology ensure smooth visuals, making it a solid choice for FPS and action games. In terms of design, the KOORUI monitor features an ultra-slim profile and a matte black finish, giving it a modern and minimalist aesthetic. It's also VESA compatible, so you can easily mount it on your wall or a monitor arm for a clutter-free desk setup. The adjustable tilt angle, -5 degrees to 15 degrees, adds ergonomic flexibility, ensuring you can find the perfect viewing angle for long work or gaming sessions. While the performance is commendable for its price, this monitor does have a few limitations, such as its slightly lower brightness at 250 nits, which may not be ideal for brightly lit environments. Additionally, the build quality is lightweight, which some users might find less durable. Overall, the KOORUI monitor is a versatile, cost-effective choice for those seeking affordability without sacrificing essential features. Coming in at number 4 is the Sceptre 20-inch ultra-thin LED monitor, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $67.97, this monitor delivers HD plus resolution, 1600 by 900, and a 75Hz refresh rate, making it a decent choice for everyday tasks such as browsing, streaming, and office work. Its built-in speakers add a layer of convenience, eliminating the need for external audio devices for basic sound needs. Design-wise, this monitor is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for small desks or tight spaces. The wide viewing angles of 170 degrees horizontal and 160 degrees vertical ensure consistent image quality, even when viewed from off-center positions. It comes with 2 HDMI ports and a VGA port, offering ample connectivity options for older and newer devices. Plus, it's VESA wall mount ready for added flexibility in setup. However, the lower resolution compared to full HD monitors might be a drawback for users who require sharper visuals for tasks like photo editing or gaming. The contrast ratio of 3000 to 1 is decent, but not as impressive as other monitors on this list. Overall, the Sceptre monitor is perfect for those on a tight budget who need a reliable and functional display for basic use cases. At rank number 3, we have the HP V24i G5 24-inch monitor, a robust option that combines sleek design with reliable performance. Featuring full HD resolution and an IPS panel, this monitor delivers crisp and vibrant visuals with wide viewing angles. The anti-glare coating and low blue light technology make it a great choice for long hours of work or entertainment, as it helps reduce eye strain. The design is modern and minimalistic, with a slim stand and neat cable management that keeps your workspace clutter-free. It includes HDMI and DisplayPort inputs for versatile connectivity options, and the adjustable tilt feature allows for ergonomic customization. While the refresh rate is capped at 60 Hz, AMD FreeSync technology ensures smooth motion and eliminates screen tearing during casual gaming or video playback. One notable drawback is the slightly lower brightness of 250 nits, which may not be ideal for brightly lit rooms. Additionally, the price is not listed here, so it's hard to determine the exact value proposition. However, the HP V24i G5 stands out for its reliable performance and eco-friendly design, making it a solid choice for professionals and casual users alike. Taking the number 2 spot is the Philips 221V8LB 22-inch monitor, a feature-packed option with a strong focus on performance and reliability. With full HD resolution, a VA panel, and a high refresh rate of 100 Hz, This monitor delivers smooth and vibrant visuals that are perfect for gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks. Adaptive sync technology ensures fluid motion and eliminates stuttering and screen tearing, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. The design is sleek and functional, with an ultra-thin profile and wide viewing angles of 178 degrees for consistent image quality from virtually any position. The low blue mode is particularly noteworthy for reducing harmful blue light emissions, which is beneficial for extended use. The monitor also comes with a generous 4-year advanced replacement warranty, offering peace of mind and unparalleled customer support. While the Philips monitor excels in performance, its glossy screen surface may reflect light in bright environments, which could be a minor inconvenience. Additionally, the price is not listed, making it difficult to assess its overall value. However, with its robust features and strong warranty, this monitor is a fantastic choice for gamers and professionals seeking reliability and quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sceptre 24-inch computer gaming monitor, a premium option that offers an exceptional balance of design, performance, and value. With full HD resolution, a VA panel, and a 75 Hz refresh rate, this monitor delivers sharp visuals and smooth motion for gaming, office work, and multimedia tasks. The 100% sRGB wide color gamut provides accurate and vibrant colors, making it perfect for creative professionals and avid gamers alike. The frameless design adds a modern touch, while the ergonomic tilt feature ensures maximum comfort during extended use. Connectivity is seamless, with HDMI, VGA, and audio output ports, and its VESA compatibility allows easy wall mounting or flexible placement. The monitor's adaptive sync technology effectively reduces ghosting and tearing, creating an ultra-smooth visual experience. Priced at $79.99, the Sceptre monitor is slightly more expensive than others on this list, but it justifies the price with its premium build quality and advanced features. The only drawback is its relatively new market presence, which might make some hesitant about long-term reliability. Overall, this monitor is the perfect choice for users who want premium performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your choices for the best 75 Hz monitors. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Have questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.